Forget science fiction. The real rewriting of our future is happening quietly, wave by wave.
Not by meteor showers or alien storms, but by rising seas that refuse to stop climbing.
Streets built for horse carts are now flirting with seawater.
Flirting or falling.
The ocean is reclaiming what once belonged to it.
By 2050, entire coastlines will look unfamiliar. Millions living one storm away from evacuation.
The sea has already entered the city's vocabulary.
And we're still learning its language.
Welcome to the unseen flood, the slow disaster shaping tomorrow's world.
Around the globe, the tides are delivering one message: adapt or sink.
In New York, engineers sketch invisible walls around the most expensive real estate on Earth.
Green parks doubling as flood shields, beauty turned into armor.
Safety must blend with daily life, not divide it.
Without defense, one hurricane could put Wall Street under actual water.
Venice, the romantic city of canals, finds its romance turning to routine survival.
Gigantic steel gates rise from the sea, a technological prayer against flooding. Yet, above every barrier hangs a heavier question. How long can this dance last?
Architects have begun drafting cities that breathe with the tide. In the Netherlands, homes that rise and sink calmly turn climate threat into lifestyle. Their secret: amphibious architecture, flexible enough to float when rain becomes ocean. Singapore experiments with vertical wetlands built right into the city grid.
Visionaries imagine whole boroughs drifting safely above their former shorelines. Singapore experiments with vertical wetlands built right into the city grid.
A new generation is treating water not as enemy, but a collaborator.
In their sketches, boats replace buses and tides schedule the school run. Food, too, takes to the waves, greenhouses that sway, powered by sun and salt water.
Adaptation also grows from roots and hands, not just steel.
Future defense must feel ordinary, not alien, woven into daily life.
Where floods never leave, schools have learned to sail.
Innovation, born of necessity, feeds resilience better than donations ever could.
Each new floorboard is a declaration. We will not drift away quietly.
Yet millions will move, creating the era of climate migration.
Displacement can also mean renewal, a second chance on higher ground.
The strongest levee is the one built of cooperation.
For some, survival feels like grace returning. Land and sea learning new boundaries.
But hope needs allies in power. Compassion must become policy.
Data tells a consistent story. The sea is rising faster each decade.
Every fraction of a degree heated in the air finds its echo in the ocean's height.
Monitoring networks now act as early warning systems for communities.
International collaboration is our modern ark, a fleet of agreements trying to stay afloat.
Renewable energy is our best sandbag against escalating seas. Natural and technological solutions meet, defending one coastline at a time.
Marshes and mangroves, ancient guardians, absorb wave power better than concrete.
Every small gesture folds into a collective shield.
Progress may rise slowly, but so does optimism. Stitch these triumphs together, and you glimpse a new planetary coastline.
Even culture is adapting, turning crisis into creative momentum.
Each dawn reveals designs once dismissed as utopian, now under construction.
Our fear of the sea might evolve into a partnership written in engineering code.
For the next generation, water may feel less like threat and more like neighbor. Education teaches not only numbers, but the rhythm of tides shaping tomorrow.
Grassroots knowledge packs more resilience than distant bureaucracy.
What was once sci-fi becomes blueprint. The world learning to drift safely.
Humanity's boundaries expand, not shrink, when challenged by nature.
Adaptation begins with acceptance, a quiet handshake with the sea.
The same ocean touches every shore, binding our destinies like unseen threads.
Each coastline is rewriting humanity's story, line by line of tide.
Resilience looks ordinary from up close. Just people refusing to surrender.
Home takes new shape, but its heartbeat stays the same.
Creativity becomes catharsis, turning waste into warning.
That gaze belongs to the generation that must finish what we begin.
Change doesn't start with governments. It starts with one deliberate choice at a time.
The flood is unseen not because it's invisible, but because we've chosen not to look.
Crisis and opportunity always travel in the same ship.
Look long enough, and you'll notice the reflection is our future staring back.
The world's new coastline is being co-authored by every choice we make today.
This is not the end. It's the first tide of transformation.
When the water comes knocking, how bold will we be to open the door?